Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change name on Remitly. So if you also want to change name on Remitly, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here, Remitly application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to change the name, what you have to do is tap on the manage option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the manage interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. You can find the option for profile, settings, payment methods, redeem offer. All you have to do is tap on the profile option that you can see at first. Now you'll be led to the profile information interface. At first you'll be able to see the option for name. Right next to it you'll be able to see the option for edit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can edit your name from here. Enter your new name. Now tap on the save option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your name is changed. So that is how you change your name on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.